What's going on, guys? Dr. Bob back from HealthSource of Fairlawn again, and I want to tell you about something else we're doing to give back to the schools in our area this year, and that's something called free scoliosis screenings. There was a program that used to exist when many of us were in school. Some of you may remember it, where a local doctor or a school nurse would come in and line us up and do these 5-minute quick checks to see if any of us had developed a condition called scoliosis. Well, all that is an abnormal twisting or bending of the spine, but it can contribute to a lot of pain, discomfort, tightness, and even can lead to surgery in some cases. And so the way that we're going to help our community, if you can help us get connected with your school, we're going to come in for free, help screen a lot of the students to help prevent some of these measures being taken, give them better health, get them better mobility so they can get back to doing what they love. Help us, help them.